Okay, I got my ESCs from China for my personal Mako here, so I can hook up the schizo and get that thing back running and start running my old machine that I liked so much. Here's that TFC board, right? Well, I soldered on, what did I solder on? The Spectrum to the 3 volts. I soldered on a UART 2 lead for my OSD, and I soldered on a buzzer to the buzzer lead. So I'm going to make up a little LED and solder my LED onto there, and we'll get this thing together. I was watching a video the other night, DRS maybe. Anyway, they had a motor wrench. So I decided to make my own motor wrench, as you can see here. And it actually works quite well. This was the first prototype. I went straight to the carbon. But now that I think about it, I made a different one. And this is the other one. Check it out. Now I made this. This machine needs some work. One of the belts were so loose, so I had to take it apart. But it's really bad, this print. But take a look at it nonetheless. And this is set up for 1806 motors right here. Watch. So there's the 1806 motors, right? Then you flip one over, and you flip the other over, and now it's set up for 2204 motors, right? You get that? Well, I got this rubber stuff. You know that stuff that Grandma used to use to loosen the top of like pickle jars and stuff? And it comes like a 1/2 inch wide. Well, I'm gonna contact cement that to the inside of these. So you're going to be able to get some CrashRc motor holders, motor tighteners, motor holders, whatever it is. Anyway, that's that. I just wanted to show you that. Then I build a lot of things. This all started when some guy with a Hyperion Vengeance came into the hobby shop, and he kept breaking his arms. And I said, dude, I'll make you some arms. So I actually made him some arms, right? And since then, I probably sold 20 sets of these arms all over the world. As a matter of fact, these two and these two being made right here, that's the front and rears for Hyperion Vengeance arms, are being sent to Austria, so this week. So, you know, these arms are for I designed again. These are all my designs. These arms right here are for the Immersion 285. Remember that one? The Immersion RC Vortex 285 had similar arms, round carbon tubes. Well, I designed these arms for a guy who just kept twisting them, breaking them, whatever. So I have the 285 arms, right? And quite a bit of stuff. I mean, this was the beginning of those flight test things. This is just the nose for the arrow. You know, you just pull that off, slide your battery in, slide this back on, you're good to go. You crash, this may pop off, whatever. You know, for VTXs, you know, for every kind of VTX you got. For Lemon and Spectrum satellite receivers. These are for the Lemon and Spectrum satellite receivers. This one's like for the end of a vortex where you just want to double stick tape it down, right? You just double stick tape it right down like that, and you throw your antennas in and you're done. These These are more for the, where's another one? Here, this one. This is a similar one, but this one's more for the 30 and a half by 30 and a half board size. Again, you can slide it in there. That's what I used here. Right here, underneath. See underneath there? That's exactly what's in there. Alright? And so on. So then this one here has got a little cutout for the buzzer. So you hot glue the buzzer in there, and boom, there's your receiver holder. You stack it right on top. You know? What do I got? Here's the Atom. It's been sitting for a while, but I mounted this top to it, and lately I've been designing a whole cab for the Atom. Hopefully the new one has the same footprint. Here's the new Vortex 250, you know. So there's a lot of stuff.